Hey, welcome to Trendwired Solutions. What does it mean to overdo digital marketing? Imagine standing on a street corner shouting through a megaphone all day. People tune you out. Overdoing digital marketing is the online version of that headache, an endless barrage of irrelevant messages. It's the 3 emails in a day, about a sale, the pop-up demanding your email before you've read a word, the ad that follows you everywhere. It's the social feed posting 10 times a day, but saying nothing of value. This is marketing that interrupts, not invites. The problem? We forget that marketing isn't about yelling the loudest. It's about being heard. Earning attention is harder than demanding it, but it's the only way to build real engagement. The digital megaphone is a tool, not a strategy. When we use it without empathy or purpose, we're just making noise. Your audience isn't a faceless mob, they're individuals. Every interaction either builds trust or erodes it. That 5th email this week? It might feel productive, but to your customer, it's a sign you don't respect their time. Each unwanted message is a withdrawal from the bank of goodwill. Make too many withdrawals and your account runs dry. That's when people unsubscribe, unfollow, and ignore you for good. The real risk isn't being ignored, it's being resented. In digital marketing, more isn't always better. Sometimes, more is just noise. Why do businesses fall into the trap of over-marketing? It starts with pressure. Pressure to grow fast, to show results, to keep up with competitors. We think, if one ad works, 10 must work better. But that's flawed logic. Our obsession with metrics, opens, clicks, impressions, can blind us to what really matters, trust and loyalty. Chasing vanity metrics leads us to optimize for algorithms, not people. FOMO kicks in. We see competitors everywhere, so we shout louder just to be heard. This reactive approach creates noise, not connection. Many small businesses lack resources and look for shortcuts. Automation promises easy wins, but without strategy, it becomes a weapon of mass annoyance. The result? Robotic, impersonal broadcasts that push people away. We copy tactics without understanding if they fit our audience. In the rush to do more, we forget to do what matters. Sometimes, a whisper is more powerful than a scream. Overmarketing brings 4 hidden risks that quietly cripple brands. First, ad fatigue. When people see the same message too often, they tune it out. Your ads become invisible. Second, brand annoyance. Now, your audience isn't just ignoring you, they're irritated. Aggressive pop-ups and relentless emails turn you into a nuisance. Third, damaged brand perception. Spammy tactics make your brand look desperate and untrustworthy. Trust, once broken, is hard to repair. Finally, poor return on investment. You spend more to get less. Higher costs, lower engagement, and wasted budgets. You churn through your audience, burning goodwill for short-term gains. The dashboard might not show it, but the damage is real. The more you push, the less you get back. Overmarketing is a hamster wheel, exhausting, expensive, and ultimately self-defeating. The real cost isn't just money, it's your reputation. When marketing becomes noise, everyone loses. The solution? Less noise, more value. Don't let your brand become wallpaper. How do we escape the noise? Shift from volume to value. Commit to quality over quantity. 1 great email beats 7 forgettable ones. Focus on creating content people actually want, helpful, insightful, and relevant. Practice mindful personalization. Use data to be helpful, not creepy. True personalization feels like a recommendation from a friend, not surveillance. Create harmony across channels. Your marketing should feel like a conversation, not a shouting match. Integrate your efforts so customers get a seamless, logical experience. Map the customer journey and deliver the right message at the right time. Most importantly, listen and adapt. Watch for feedback. Unsubscribes, ad hides, comments, and adjust. Treat marketing as a dialogue, not a monologue. When you serve, not shout, you become welcome, not ignored. Legendary brands are built on respect, not volume. At its core, marketing is about building relationships, and trust is the foundation. Every action either builds or erodes trust. Aggressive pop-ups and relentless emails erode it. Helpful content and thoughtful recommendations build it. The goal isn't just clicks or sales. It's to become a trusted resource. Trust is built over time through consistent, valuable interactions. When you have trust, you don't need to shout. Your audience listens because they expect value. Treat your audience as a community, not just leads. Welcome them, listen, provide value, and respect their attention. This mindset transforms marketing from transactional to meaningful. Focus on long-term loyalty, not short-term wins. Before your next campaign, ask, Will this build trust or erode it? Brands people believe in are built on respect. The digital world gives us powerful tools, but with power comes responsibility. More isn't always better. Sometimes it's just more noise. The antidote isn't to stop marketing, but to market with intention and empathy. Choose quality over quantity. Use data to be more human, not less. Coordinate your message so it feels like a conversation, not chaos. Listen to your customers, directly and indirectly. The goal isn't to be the loudest, but the most trusted. This approach takes patience but builds lasting loyalty. A trusted brand weathers trends and changes because it's built on real relationships. Step back from the megaphone. Market as you'd want to be marketed to. Use your tools to connect, not interrupt. Build your marketing around a human heart, and you'll build a brand that lasts. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Hey, welcome to Trendwired Solutions. What does it mean to overdo digital marketing? Imagine standing on a street corner shouting through a megaphone.